Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another print quality test video. Today we've got the Canon G6020 and we're going to be looking at the quality. I'm going to print three different pictures or examples for you to take a look at. And if you want any information on the products that I use, the printer or the laptop or additional ink for the printer, I'm going to leave some links in the description below for you. Okay, so we're going to go right into it. I'm going to print this picture here that has a variety of different colors, and you'll be able to tell from this video kind of, the quality and how it looks really once it's printed onto paper with this particular printer. Now, if you wanted additional resources on buying printers, go to my website, bestprinterstech.com. If this video is helpful, make sure to like, subscribe if you want more videos like this. And as you see there, we've got our first picture printed out, a little bit faded. I'm not gonna lie here. I don't know how it looks via camera. It looks kind of like it's less faded, but in person, I can tell you I've got it in front of me here. It's a little tad bit faded, more than I would like to see. But let's see with the second one. The second one, it has a lot of different colors, mainly a good blue, baby blue in the background. So we're going to print this guy out, and you'll be able to tell right now how this one ends up coming out. Again, link in the description below for this printer, just to be really specific there. But here we go. Here is your second picture. Also a little tad bit faded, more than I would really like to see on a Canon Mega Tank, but it's not missing any colors. It's not really like messed up or anything, but it's just a little bit faded for my taste. So now you've got threw some Disney in here, and I'm gonna print this guy out. This is the last one. This one, you can really tell that it's, for whatever reason, and I mean, you could print this on glossy photo paper and it might be different, but on this paper, when I print it out, being 100% honest and not being biased, but it's a tad bit faded as well. You got all the colors there and you got all the details. And for you, if you look at this and you say, that's good enough for me, that's great. But for my taste, it's a little tad bit faded on those other two. I think the Disney one is fine. So that's really all there is to it, you guys. Printed out those three pictures. I hope that helped you determine the quality of this printer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time.